How's everybody doing, my people? We're gonna play Chili wins. Dragon Train Chili wins. Alright guys, I'm at Durango Casino. This one's, I'm gonna do penny denom, and this one's, oh, 50 cents? Alright, let me try the 50 cents, see what happens. I could do 50 cents. Sorry guys, trying to get situated here. All right, here we go. Oops. Sorry guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I knew I was missing something, but it is my volume. Where's my volume at? There it is. All right, here we go. Alright, some queens. Oh, 5 of a kind, okay. Take it. Some queens and some bats. Fishies. Three of these guys is the bonus. 3 more. 3 more. Yes, got it, guys. All right. Let's get this train. If you get the train one in there, it's good. It's good. Here we go, guys. Come on, pop it in. Come on now. Oh my gosh, last spin. Come on, pop it in. Anything. Darn it. Oh, I ain't gonna complain, guys, because I hit it at least. Alright, I'm gonna complain. Alright, here we go, guys. Come on, give me the bonus now. Two more. One more. Oh. All right, all right. Fishies, no fish. Wow, some jackies. 5 more. Some jacks. Some diamond turtles. Come on now. Oh, I needed 2 more, guys. All right, aces. Come on, let's go. Got to get that up there. I know you can do it. Oh, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Oh my gosh, that's what we needed, guys. That train. Darn it. Almost. Aces. Some queens. Come on, we done better than that. We need something better than that. Come on. Diamond turtles. Aces. Come on. Two more. Four more. Darn it. Oh my goodness, that miner was $50, guys. 3 more. 1 more. Oh my gosh, I'm too slow. I gotta go. All right, here we go. 3 more. 1 more. Oh, shame on you. Shame on you. All right, guys, a couple more spins. I'm gonna try a different machine. Come on now. Two more. Oh, 5 of a kind aces. I mean, fishes, aces. Oh my gosh, I need new glasses. All right, last spin, guys. That's it, guys. All right, I'm gonna try a different machine. Be right back. All right, my people, I moved over here to the Royal Monkey. Gold Stacks 88. All right, here we go, guys. Come on, let's get some. 88 cents, penny denom. Oh, I needed the second line, one of those El Kabong. Oh, now I needed it in the third line. Oh my gosh. Osh, gosh, my gosh. Come on, guys. Oh, all right. That's all. Monkey? Oh, monkey. Come on, baby. Oh, I needed 1 more right there. Come on, what's going on? Monkey, monkey. Oh, they're sure coming out a lot, guys. Maybe I'll get it. Oh, again, 2 of them. Wow, I needed the first one this time. On this line, I needed the El Kabong. Wow, guys, it's teasing me. Oh my goodness, come on now. Come on, let's go, let's do it. Oh my goodness, I needed 1 more here now. What the? Come on, mother, father, sister, brother, let's do it. Monkey, monkey, monkey. All right, that's a good one. $4. Trees. Oh, trees. Some aces. All right, some lifesavers. Oh my God. 2 again, guys. Oh my gosh. All right, some lifesavers. Those are actually coins, but they look like lifesavers. Oh, that was a $10 line hit, guys. Not bad. Some more lifesavers. Come on now. Trees, trees. Oh, trees. Darn it. Come on, all I need is 3 El Cabones. Oh, that's good. Darn it. Come on, you keep giving me those 1, 2. Give me 3. 1, 2, and 3. Trees? Oh, trees. All right, lifesavers. $1. Oh, that's good. Oh, I needed 1 more, guys. All right. I mean, it wasn't like amazing, but at least $2. Trees? No trees. Come on. Come on, let's pop up here. That's good, guys. That's a $10 line hit right there, guys. I'll take it. $11. Excuse me, $11.52. I'll take it. Trees? No trees. No trees again. Come on. Oh, nice. The vase, the vase, the vase. 256. Come on now. Oh, why couldn't you give it to me there? It was all set up. Look at that. I would have had 4 of them. Wow. That's not very nice. All right, some lifesavers. Come on, baby. Some trees. Ah, trees. Oh, why? Darn it. Come on, El Cabon. Lifesavers? A little bit of lifesavers. Monkey. Aces. 12 cents. Come on, baby. Monkeys. Oh, monkeys. Darn it. Alright, we're only going to do a couple more because this ain't cutting it, guys. Oh! Should have gave it to me. Again, it should have gave it to me, guys. Didn't, though. That's brutal. Darn it. Where was my monkey in the first line? There it is. Day late, dollar short. Alright guys, you know this one's got me good, got me good. Last spin, guys. Alright, I'm gonna try a different machine. Be right back. Alright, my people, for my last game, I'm gonna play Ocean Magic. Nadina. Okay, guys. I'm gonna do 50
Activate
cents.
the bubble boost
Oh, wait
for
a minute.
more bubbles.
I gotta do $1. Just
Bubble boost activated.
Alright, bubble boost activated, guys. Whoa. Where's my bubbles at? Come on. There's my bubbles. Come on, bubbles. Tiny bubbles. Oh, there you go. Nice. Alright, $5 on that one. More bubbles, more bubbles. Here comes bubbles, guys. Come on, bubbles. Oh, I got it, guys. Got 2 of them. Nice. Three of these is a bonus, guys. So why don't you just give me 3 now? There's 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. There's the bubbles. Come on, bubbles. Hit me with the best shot. There you go. Oh. Alright. $4.40. We'll take it. More bubbles. More bubbles. Come on now. Here comes the bubbles, guys. Alright, come on, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Nothing. Alright, got him up there. Come on now. Alright, not bad, not bad. $6 hit, that's good. Come on, blow more bubbles. I had a little chuckle there, guys, because I was telling this girl to blow. But, you know, blow more bubbles. Alright. Come on now. bubbles. All right. Oh, nothing, guys. Darn it. Come on. Come on, bonus. There we go. Here she goes. Come on, give me more bubbles. Darn it. Oh, I did get some fishies. Okay. That's better than nothing, guys. Come on, I got 2 more bubbles. Bubblicious. Last one, guys. Come on. Oh, darn it. Come on, more bubbles. Darn it, guys. That was my bonus. There it comes after the fact. All those bubbles is nothing. Come on. All right, some starfish. 540, we'll take it. Come on, baby. Come on, bonus. 2 more. Darn it. Come on, do something this time. Come on, get in there. Oh, do it now, every line. Come on, bubbles. Land, 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 land. Oh my gosh, all those bubbles. Come on, hit something. I dare you. There's one. Darn it, that wasn't good enough, guys. Darn it, not even a bonus. Here we go. Come on now. Come on, mother, father, sister, brother. Ooh, I had 2. Some starfish. Okay, it's better than nothing. Come on, baby. One more, please. Please. Oh, I just saw it go by. It went by again, guys, and it was right on top. No, that wasn't it. One more, you can do it. Put your back into it. Oh, my goodness. Really? That's how you do me? One more. Come on, do it. Look at that, guys. Total tease. Total tease. Wow. All right, some starfish. Come on, ocean magic. Nothing, guys.
Ocean magic.
Look at this, guys. All right, guys, let's go. We got to get some. Come on. This could be big. Give me a bonus at least. Oh, you son of a gun. Look at that. Nothing, guys. All those bubbles, and I didn't get nothing. One more try. Let's go. Give me something. Darn. Finally got some. I got a headache. That's what I got. Come on. Come on, give me the bonus. I know you want to. Alright guys, that's it. That's what got me good. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Hope everybody had a good day, is having a good day, and I'll see you on my next video.